name remains the same, Kwame the Wanderer. Right now I'm in Bokarina and I'm here to take a video of a different suburb of the Sunshine Coast, just to show you different varieties of this region. Remember to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button and show us some love. Follow, like it, share it. Instagram handle Kwame the Wanderer. Okay, let's keep rolling. In this episode, I will use one stone to kill two birds, meaning I'll be videoing Bokarina where I am right now, and I will also show you Birtinya, which is opposite Bokarina, so they are all in very close proximity. Bokarina is on the east coast and Birtinya is a little bit inland. So Birtinya is westward of Bokarina, just on the west side. They are very much connected. They are only separated by a motorway, that's all. But it's just continuation of one suburb to the other. That's what we call neighbors. Anyway, welcome to Bokarina. As you can see, it's pretty new and there's still a lot of construction going on here. Let's take it easy and go with the flow and see what the camera will be capturing. Welcome to Bokarina Beach. Lake Kawana. Lake Kawana is a man-made water body which has become an integral part of the communities around it and the region as a whole. I'm now in Birtinya. I will start videoing Birtinya from here. Birtinya is quite big, so I will be covering a lot of areas, starting from Lake Kawana till as far as I can get. I reckon with a combination of other commitments, it will take me a couple of days to cover majority of Birtinya and Bokarina, or Bokarina and Birtinya, vice versa, to be able to share with you. Back to Bokarina. There's a lot of new developments happening in this part of Bokarina. New estates and apartments are being constructed all around this place. Even though I've previously captured this part of Bokarina, I'm once again back to take a quick video of this same place in a different atmosphere, so that we can have some different perspectives when the weather changes. You know, the natural lights, they all have different contrasts to the video, and it gives you a different vibe to the place. On one of the streets of the newly constructed estates in Bokarina, it appears to be very nice and peaceful neighborhood with fresh buildings. Here smells brand new. We are now in Birtinya. Let's check around Birtinya. So this beautiful water body we are seeing is all part of Lake Kawana. Lake Kawana has 7.2 kilometer loop trail around it, which is perfect place for walking, cycling, mountain biking, and hosting a lot of water sports. There are also several rest areas along the trail, complete with barbecue facilities and amenities. There's a hipster table tennis table for the residents of this community, featuring some Australian native wildlife like echidna and koala. Beautiful playgrounds like this are complimentary in this area. beautiful sunset. I often come for a walk around this lake with my dog, and sometimes to relax and meditate. It's a very beautiful spot. Lake Kawana is an artificial lake, but it's connected to the Pacific Ocean, and sometimes we get bull sharks and stingrays here. A very beautiful spot. So calm. Sunset on the Sunshine Coast is always breathtaking. Just look at the colors. As the saying goes, after every dark night comes a glorious morning of a new day. It's getting late and I have to return home. I'll come back the following day to continue. I hope you are enjoying the scenery of Birtinya. I will shoot another video tomorrow. Stay tuned for more. Swim! Good girl. Good girl. The man is a good girl. hasn't been easy. It's been 3 days now since I started shooting this video, and I will be ending it very soon. I hope I've shown you quite enough of Bokarina and Birtinya. Next time we'll go to another suburb again. Thanks for watching. Kwame the Wanderer. Remember to subscribe, share, and show me some love. Bye.